My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see. And it's a rainy POV, man. Y'all see the rain, you know what I'm saying? We ain't get to do, I haven't done one of these in so long, bro, because it hasn't been raining like that. And we got traction all the way off, by the way. You know what I mean? Traction all the way off. We in manual mode. Y'all know what time we on. That's crazy. I've been boy, that's crazy how these cars make it look like you missing gears, bro. I've been pressed the paddle shifter, bro. That's crazy. They be getting sideways. The road is very slick. Car crew, very much slick. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Been at it, it's over. Let that shit breathe. Oh yeah. Chill out, but yeah, man. I hear Olivia out here breathing, stretching out real quick, man. Something slight, not too crazy. But yeah, I ain't really been cutting up in the rain with the car in manual, cause I like it when it shifts, you feel me? I like the car when it shifts on its own when you're doing that, cause you can keep going. But see, with this, you gotta like, this made for when you trying to go in circles, you know what I mean? That's what this made for. If this truck run right here, but it is insane. These niggas, they can't even see out their window, bro. That's crazy. They can't find nothing clear, at least, or something that you can kind of see through. Well, that's dangerous, boy. They tripping. I know you gotta do what you gotta do, but oh, that water trying to fall over the window. I just rolled that one up. I ain't even got time. But yeah, man, I feel like I ain't even started the video all right. But yeah, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Nothing too crazy, man. We just, you know, we just riding in the rain. Rainy POV drive, you know what I'm saying, with traction all the way off. And the world's best sounding SCAT, you know what I mean? I'm recording in a different resolution too, man. Y'all let me know if y'all rock with this builder. I'm gonna try to use. I don't know, it's like the way the movement of the camera is kind of straight, but it be kind of iffy when it's dark like this. When you got more light, the more light, the better it look. But I don't know. Sometimes I want to drive like this, but then sometimes I be thinking they be killing it with that, with all that light. I don't like that, cuz. I only like that for sliding. I can't drive with that bit in the manual. I can. I'm not really trying to shift it. When I did today, I like to just make it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm finna show y'all. Do what I like to do when it be in paddle shift. And I hit it like that. Cause when I don't gotta shift it. It shift on its own, but it keep, you know what I'm saying? It don't ball the car out, you feel me? It don't ball the car out, bro. That's what I don't like. Y'all hear that, cuz? Like, we're gonna drive safely on hand, but we got good traction in third gear. Good little traction, you know what I mean? But yeah, man. I just really turned the camera on, bro. I wasn't planning on recording for y'all, boy, for a couple more days, man. Trying to get the pace to. I think like sometimes when I drop video back to back, it like it don't work out in the favor I wanted to. So I think maybe I gotta kind of space it out, bro. Give y'all boys time to watch the video, watch one video, you know what I'm saying, to get to the next one. That I think it'd be like too though. I think y'all boys just don't be, you know what I'm saying. I be overwhelming y'all, you feel me? That's what I think it'd be though. I just be overwhelming y'all boys. Hook pretty good. I don't know, man. It's depending on what kind of pavement you on. That mother hook pretty good, bro. If I do say so myself, ugly. But yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Something slight, not too crazy. You feel me? Olivia sound crazy though, I'm not gonna lie. Olivia do sound crazy, buddy. Do sound crazy, brother. Do sound crazy, you know. But yeah, man, it's just a little unexpected POV drive, to be honest, y'all, boy. I'm gonna start bringing y'all, well, I ain't gonna make no promises yet, but I'm gonna try my best to bring y'all different content besides POVs. I do. Ooh, that bill spit it that time. Eee. That right there get me turned up, what? That turned me on. What? That turned me on, what? Oh yeah. The SCAT pack wet. Let me stop. I'm gonna say something crazy. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man. I ain't gonna make no promises. But I am indeed gonna start bringing y'all different content. As in, it's still gonna be car content. You know, not just strictly POVs. Like, if I do love doing POVs, like, I think my channel does better on POVs. But we're gonna still most definitely, you know what I'm saying, start going out to car meets. Definitely start going out, you know what I'm saying, the car meets. That what I like, bro. See how I did that? When I hit it and it just be spitting, that what I like, bro. When it's in passenger mode versus manual mode. But I keep getting interrupted. But yeah, man, I'm gonna do that, you feel me? I'm gonna start going, like, you know, little car meets. Well, not car meets, but like popping out the bigger stuff, more people there. Just events and all that, traveling a little bit, not too far over, you know, just traveling around my state, you know what I mean? But y'all know for the longest, bro, I've been thugging it out, you know what I'm saying, by my lonely. You feel me? I've been doing all that by my lonely for the most part. And I have people help here and there. But I've been doing it by my lonely, man, for the most part, man. Oh my Lord, cuz. Ah, damn. Not my fault, but still, you could have turned in a little bit faster. Yeah, man, we're gonna start bringing them different kind of vids soon, man. Oh, man. Yes, feel like I'm in a cat. This is the only time I feel like I'm in a cat, bro. When it wet outside, I turn the traction on, or I just turn the traction all the way out. Cause that what cats feel like with traction on, so that'll make it so crazy. That'll make that jump stupid crazy. But yeah, man, I don't really know what to talk about. I'm just here, you know what I mean? I'm just here, boy. But yeah, man, like, I'm gonna start bringing y'all, boy, you know what I'm saying? Something a little, you know, a little different, nothing too crazy. Just basically the content I already did. I be trying to tell folks too, like, bro, I've been doing this, like the stuff y'all talking about, like going to do this, going to do that. Y'all gotta watch my old video, bro. Like, I've been doing that. Niggas just weren't rocking with me back then, bro. I mean, niggas barely rocking with me now, but like, You know what I'm saying? They weren't rocking with me at all back then. I'm going to all the big meets, SRT breed, anything in the A. Dubai and Atlanta, all that OG jump. Y'all know, you know. I've been there, boy. Been going all that. That kind of why I started going, or, you know, like, kind of fell back on the schedule. Like, when I was going, y'all nigga nobody wasn't really rocking with it. You know what I'm saying? Nobody want to appreciate me going to no, you know what I'm saying? The video was like, oh, it's straight. Like, okay. A few people like, yeah, man, I rock with that. But same time, I was just like, nigga wasn't really rocking with that for real, man. You know what I'm saying? Now y'all is, because all y'all favorite YouTubers doing it. That's all it be, bro. It just take the right nigga to do something. A lot of stuff that these YouTubers, the big YouTubers doing, car content wise, I done did that. I ain't gonna say they got it from me, but I did it before they did it. Then somebody else made it popular, and now they doing it. You know what I'm saying? Then now everybody like, dang, bro, why you ain't doing that? Like, bitch, I been doing it. Where you was at? You know what I'm saying? So that really just how that go. But you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing. I ain't tripping. It's just, you know, that's just how it go. That's just how the cookie crumble. Like, come on, man, hurry up. Yeah. Well, yeah, man. Not too crazy. I might spin that thing for y'all boy one time. You know what I mean? That's what I might do. We're gonna see though. I might spin that thing for y'all boy one time, man. But yeah, we're gonna you know, get different vids. Different type of videos, you know what I'm saying, popping out some of my partners, you feel me? And get them boy POV driving or just showing off the wheels, just vlogging really. When I get big enough, I'm gonna probably make another channel of like more, you know what I'm saying, day-to-day, not day-to-day life, but like besides just strictly car gonna still be involved, but like not just pertaining to just that. It's gonna be like just me, y'all kind of see how I am, interacting with other folks and my partner, like, you know what I'm saying, on some fun vibes, you feel me? But yeah. But yeah, man, it's just a little rainy POV, like I was saying. Just a slight cut-up section, traction off, you feel me? Traction completely off. And yeah. Pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing too crazy. But yeah, man. Probably gonna slide for y'all boy one time. Okay, it's wet outside. I wanted to practice anyway. They would not be wanting to practice when it's wet outside. You ain't gotta worry about no rubber for real life unless you just going crazy. I won't be going crazy for me to burn rubber in the rain when it's wet. I just needed to get loose, get sideways. That's it. Practice on my, you know what I am. Practice on my 1-2. And I don't even be practicing, but it's just like when I like the times I do it, when y'all see me do it, bro. That's the only time I really do it, bro. And I don't be doing it like, oh, behind the scene, but I be out here practicing. No, boy. Whenever a video I do it, and I'm doing it in that video, but that's the last time I did it. Facts. There ain't no other, you know what I'm saying? There ain't no other way around it. Face up. Yeah, we finna get a little turns, and I'm gonna catch it on film for y'all. Just a few turns. And after that, you know what I'm saying, I'm cutting the camera off. Oh, yeah. We out here in Mexico, man. Had to drive to Mexico real quick. Good little distance. We ain't too far from it, but still gotta get there. Still gotta get there. I'm gonna go ahead and put that mug in. Manual. I might come in walking that bit. Ugly. I ain't but Mexico a good little way down, but for the downshift. Go downshift our way in there. Ooh, Olivia popping like crazy. I felt that on the floorboard. I might slide in second. It's in second, you know what I'm saying? We finna come in there bed 25 miles an hour. What it? Boy, I tapped the gas one time, that must spin all the way around. That's crazy. time I do that, bro, and I try to sit up, I start catching a cramp, bro, in my stomach. That junk is insane. I forgot to lift my seat up. Damn. It hurt, boy. That's what I learned too when I slide, boy. I used to have my, you know, I'm tall, bro. I have my seat in the back seat. So, boy, you try to sit up, trying to sit up with the car. You know what I'm saying? Trying to sit up with the car, bro, and do that at the same time. But you gotta have a strong abdomen. I can't even get right. I ain't gonna lie, but sliding in the rain is different. That's why I said, bro, I don't like sliding on people in the pit, bro. Cause like, especially when they're wet, bro. Like, I like to slide by myself. I'm still trying to, you know what I'm saying? Trying to perfect that joint. I am. Perfect it how I want to. It better with two hands anyway. I ain't gonna lie, the rain, but that shit is way harder. Sorry for cursing. I wasn't even trying to, but that's how different that junk is in the rain, boy. Yeah, but you do gotta have that wheel in that rain, boy. No cap. But it's different when holding the camera too, though. But ain't no excuses. But anyway, man, ain't gonna be a wrap for today's video. Nice little slide session at the end. See, when you watch the full video, bro, you don't know what you'll get. But you know, niggas, y'all boy like to cheat. Y'all watch 2 minutes of the video. Y'all watch the intro and me do one pull and then get off. Well, it's all cool though, ain't tripping. Yeah, man. I see Bit Liv with the snorkel action. I see Bit Liv with the snorkel action going on. I don't know about that, man. But yeah. Anyway, ain't gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. I just want to give y'all a nice little rainy POV. I might post it tonight. I may get posted tomorrow. I don't know yet. Y'all know when I get videos, I like to go ahead and push them out as soon as I get done. Get done with them. But yeah, man, it's a nice little picture right here, though. No cow. But yeah, man, like I said at the end of my video, you gotta go. You're trying to achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal. Sky's the limit. You can touch your car, crew. All my religious, damn. All my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the midst. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, man. You know what I'm saying? Stay humble, build your faith, build your patience, all that, bro. All that goes into it, bro. It ain't easy. But yeah, man. Like I also said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here. I'm out yesterday. Yeah.